Most robot vacuums aren't great at mopping, but this one is. Today I'll test real mess on my floor, small and large dust particles, dry stains and wet stains. And then you can agree with me that this does do a great job. Before we start, I'd like to highlight that Narwhal gave me access to this product to test. But like always, the review, the pros, the cons are all based on my own experiences and opinions. I'll start with the mopping performance, as that's what most of you and me are concerned about when it comes to robot vacuum. This Narwhal Frio Z10 robot vacuum has dual spinning mops with 8 newtons downward pressure. I have a stain here of coffee decoction that is completely dry, which normally is hard for a robot vacuum to remove. With the downward pressure, the Narwhal Frio Z10 is able to remove it with ease. While dry mess is easy, wet messes are a breeze for this robot vacuum. If the mess is not cleaned in a single run, the robot vacuum automatically senses this and does additional mopping rounds till the mess is completely clean. The vacuum can also dispense floor cleaner automatically, making it even more hands-free. Another concern you have brought to me is the cleaning of edges and corners by robot vacuums. Again, this robot vacuum addresses that really well. Firstly, it has a triangular mop which helps to reach corners better than a circular mop. When it encounters corners during mopping, it reverses the robot vacuum to reach the corner even better. While cleaning edges, it extends the mop and swings the robot into the best position to be able to clean the edges really well. If you have carpets at home, this robot vacuum can automatically identify carpets and lift the mop pads by 12 mm to minimize leaving the carpet damp. But my recommendation is to mark the carpet area as a no mop zone to avoid any dampness. The Narwhal Frio Z10 makes mopping as well hands-free. The dock washes the mop pads with hot water after use and dries them with hot air to prevent smells. Based on how dirty the mop pads are, the dock is automatically able to adjust the temperature for washing. 45 degrees Celsius for powder, 60 degrees for oil and 75 degrees for hygienic clean. The clean water bin is 4.5 liters and dirty water bin is 4 liters. So you can refill or empty it only once in few days. While I have always said robot vacuums are not great for mopping, this robot vacuum starts to change that perspective. If you're considering robot vacuums for the first time, you will be surprised at how good robot vacuums are at picking up fine dust. If you're already using robot vacuums, you already know. This one does even better. It has one of the best suction powers of 15,000 pascals, which means it is able to pick up dust from fine dust to larger dust. A common problem with the side brushes is that they fan the dust around. Of course, the robot vacuum will eventually pick it up, but it is a problem nonetheless. This robot vacuum is automatically able to identify the type of dust and if required, stop the side brushes from fanning the dust around. When larger dust particles are detected or a threshold needs to be crossed, or for vacuuming carpets, the robot vacuum automatically boosts the suction power for better vacuuming performance. This robot vacuum has anti-tangle brushes, both the main brush and the side brushes, so minimal hair gets tangled. Even if it does, it's fairly easy to remove. If hair does get tangled in the side brushes run in reverse and make a U shape to easily detangle the hair and push it to the main roller brush during operation itself. Now coming to hands-free cleaning. The Narwhal Frio Z10 has an auto emptying dock with a large 2.5 liter dust bag along with auto compression technology. So hands-free cleaning for up to 120 days or 4 months. For reference, most other robot vacuums give about 60 days of hands-free cleaning. The Frio Z10 is about 4 inches in height, so it can go under furniture with clearance above that. The Narwhal Frio Z10 uses a tri-laser structured light for navigation. It is easily able to map your entire home in less than 8 minutes. We can set go-no-go zones for both vacuuming and mopping independently with ease on the app. You can also do selective room cleaning and schedule cleaning, all from the Narwhal app. Overall, this Narwhal Frio Z10 robot vacuum resolves the main issues people have with adopting robot vacuums: the mopping performance, the edge and corner cleaning performance, and hair tangling. With hands-free cleaning for up to 120 days and hands-free mopping, this robot vacuum takes the stress of maintaining clean floors away. Narwhal has robot vacuums starting at under 25,000 and has 6 different models with increasing benefits at various different price points. So you can pick one based on your cleaning needs. You can also book a free virtual demo of all Narwhal robot vacuum cleaners currently available in India via their website. If you found this video useful, share the video and subscribe to become part of the 2 lakh plus community that trusts us with their decision making. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.